Correlation example 5. This is the sort of question you might get on an exam paper. We're looking at a history teacher who wants to analyse how well homework grades predict exam performance. What's happened here is she's collected two variables. X is the average mark for each student's homework essay, and Y is the percentage score on the examination. And the teacher's going to look to see if there is a link between these two variables. We've got 16 students in the class, and you'll notice how here they've given us some summary statistics, so we don't need to actually work all these out, which makes things a lot quicker. No significance for the highlighting there. So let's work out first of all SXX. Same thing that I said on the other videos. Write out the formulae first. I know it's time consuming, but this is your method. So sigma x squared, they've told us 221.52. Sigma x is 58.4. So we square that and divide by 16. And if you work that out, I think it works out to be 8.36. Same thing for SYY. Remember these formulae are in the formula book, you just have to make sure you know where to look. Make sure you use the correct one. So sigma y squared is 50155, and we're going to subtract from that sum of y squared, that's 837 squared over 16, and that works out to be 6369.4375. Again, you could save all these values in your calculator to save typing them in again later. SXY, write out the formula, values in the correct places, so it's 3266 minus 58.4 multiplied by 837 over 16, and if you work that one out, to 110.95. We're then asked to find the product moment correlation coefficient. Again, I'm going to write out the formula first of all, and then I'm going to show that I'm substituting values into the correct places. So 210.95 on the top, and on the denominator we have 8.36 multiplied by 6369.4375. And if we work that out, that works out to be 0.914 to 3 significant figures. Last part of the question asks us to give an interpretation. So remember, interpretation means in context. So we're saying as x increases, y does what? So as x, so what was x? That was homework, wasn't it? So as the homework mark increases, right, let's see what happens to y. Y was the test score. Well, there's a really strong correlation here. So as the homework mark increases, the test mark increases. You could say there's a strong positive correlation as well, but the word interpretation actually wants you to emphasize the context. So you've got to look at what the two variables actually mean.